The second wave of COVID 19 has been more lethal than the first wave. Businesses are forced to close or operate with a limited workforce to curb the spread of new infections. This has not helped stock markets and they have gone volatile over the last month and a half. Hello and welcome. I'm Vineet from ClearTax. In this video, I will tell you the do's and don'ts of investing during the second wave of COVID 19. With the second wave of COVID 19 wreaking havoc and the possibility of third and fourth waves looming large, investors have to be cautious about their investments and get the strategies right. Amid volatility, here's how should one go about investing. Diversify your portfolio. Challenging times like these have reiterated the importance of diversifying your portfolio. It is essential to spread your investments across asset classes. By doing this, you will reduce the risk of concentration, that is the risk of facing severe losses when a particular asset class or sector underperforms. A diversified portfolio may see other asset classes and securities cover up for the losses resulting from the underperformance of a given security. You have to invest in different asset classes that help you diversify your portfolio and minimize the overall risk. You have to assess the risk involved and ensure your objectives are being served. Do not invest in asset classes whose risk level is not in sync with your profile. If you are investing in mutual funds, ensure that no two funds have overlapping portfolios. Invest with a long-term horizon. Equity markets are known to offer excellent returns when the investment tenure is longer than 5 years. Market movement should not deter you. Remember, market volatility is the only constant that comes with equity investments. You need to remain calm and stay invested for as long as possible, even when the markets are down. You may consider investing in mutual funds via an SIP. By investing via an SIP, you will purchase fund units at different prices. Do not exit during a bearish market. Remember, markets will not remain the same forever. If you exit during a bearish market, you may incur losses. Do not invest only in fixed income. Investing in fixed income securities is definitely going to help you stabilize your portfolio to an extent as they come with lower risk and may provide regular returns. However, the returns they offer may be curtailed as the associated risk is lower. Therefore, fixed income securities may not be the dominant part of your portfolio. In order to grow your wealth, equities are the best option. You may consider investing in equity funds if you find it difficult to pick stocks on your own. Determine your equity exposure using the rule of 100 minus age. For instance, if you are age 25 years, your equity exposure should be 100 minus 25, that is 75%. Fixed income investments should constitute the remaining 25% of your portfolio. Do not invest heavily in fixed income securities as your overall returns may get lower. Investors have to be cautious about the market developments and take all precautions to protect their investment. Staying invested for a longer period will help you overcome market volatility. If you find this video useful, then please do like, comment and share. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.